Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo Y52 5G and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all, let's enter the iManager. If you will turn it on for the very first time, simply give all the permissions it needs and let's enter the security scan. As you can see, the device is scanning itself right now, and after a while you will get the information that if your device is secured or not. As you can see, in my case the device is secured. We've got the information about that. Here we've got also the number of apps which had been scanned, and under it we've got the scan results. So your device will scan the system vulnerabilities, payment environment, Trojan viruses and hazardous apps. If it will find any malware, then it will notify you and you will be able to remove particular virus. What's more, if you will turn on the security scan for the very first time, your device will ask you if you'd like to enable the automatic scan. So probably you will be able to pick like 7, 15 and 30 days. So in that amount of time your device will scan itself. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Vivo Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.